Hi everyone, today we are talking all about how to make a t-shirt and jeans look more interesting. Let's face it, a t-shirt and jeans is a total classic. It's also really freaking easy, but it can feel kind of basic sometimes, for lack of a better word. So here are some tips and tricks to make this outfit look a little bit more special. My first tip is to wear colorful shoes, and I have these right here. This is like one of my favorite pairs of shoes. These are from J. Crew. Look how pretty they are. They're pink and yellow and mint green, and they have this beautiful block heel. They're a color block style. They have this beautiful texture to them. They're patent leather, so they are not gonna scuff up or scratch up. They're just a joy to wear. They're very comfortable. I wouldn't go to, say, like a theme park in these, but I would go for a 10-minute walk to get lunch at, like a sandwich shop or something like that. If I still worked at an office. They have gold hardware, and they're such a party on your feet, especially if you're wearing, say, like a white t-shirt and jeans, or what I'm wearing now, a blue t-shirt and jeans. Just having these on your feet is so unexpected and so kind of cute, but they're more of a daytime shoe, definitely, because of the color. They are casual enough for the daytime, but they are colorful enough to still make a statement with a plain outfit. Another tip is to add a blazer with an interesting detail. Now, this is the blazer I have. As you can tell, I really like pastel colors. This is this beautiful mint green blazer. I got it at Nordstrom Rack a really long time ago, and I shopped my closet for this entire video. This is just such a staple. I get so many compliments when I wear this sweater. Not that that should really matter, but I feel very uplifted having something that is sort of bright, but it's also a pastel, so it's kind of muted, and wearing this with a plain t-shirt and jeans just elevates the entire outfit. It's also this really nice sort of cloth material. It's not really stiff like a typical blazer, so it's warm. Wearing something like this on top of a t-shirt and jeans is just so absolutely beautiful, and it kind of makes you forget that you're even wearing a t-shirt and jeans. You just throw it on and it's so easy. I love it. Another tip is to wear a t-shirt with history. I'm always talking about how you can wear something meaningful to you, like a piece of family jewelry, or having something on your phone, like a picture or something that you look at to remind you of a great time in your life. And t-shirts are really no exception. It could be a vintage t-shirt. It could be, a t-shirt that a significant other had and that you kept or you borrowed from them. And this is my Metallica band t-shirt. I got this at a concert. Actually, my husband bought this for me when we went to go see them. It has, all the stuff on the back, and it's not a vintage t-shirt, but what I really love about this is how it almost mimics the cut of a baseball t-shirt. It has a really nice, with the logo, sort of definition around the bust area, and I just really like wearing it. It's not the best fitting t-shirt, I have to say, but when are those t-shirts that they sell outside of a concert ever like an amazing fit, right? So what I try to do is roll up the sleeves and tuck it in, and that makes it more customized to me. It's not a new trick. I'm sure a lot of us do that. So what I like to do is wear this, and it really reminds me of that time and place and being with someone I care about and having just an amazing night. Tip number 4 is wear jewelry. Today I have on, a bunch of different things, and if you want to see my colorful jewelry collection, then I will link it in the cards above. But I just really needed some color today. It's been kind of gloomy lately where I am. But one thing that I love is this. This is an Oradina necklace. I absolutely love this necklace. It's so pretty and so different. And then I have it with miraculous metal and Sacred Heart metal that my mom gave me. but the color of the Oradina necklace goes really well with the blue on my shirt. And layering on pieces, I know that layering, I mean, like, I feel like that's just kind of another way for a lot of companies to make you buy more jewelry, but it really does elevate your look and make something uniquely yours. And I love layering because I can sort of make my own designs and my own looks by layering different pieces of jewelry. I'm layering different pieces of jewelry to go with my Metallica t-shirt, and it gives that a certain look. And then you can see I've also paired the same jewelry with a white t-shirt, and that gives a completely different look. So I love putting jewelry on. It's a way to really make your outfit kind of special, kind of uniquely yours. It adds a lot of interest to a plain outfit like a t-shirt and jeans. And last but not least, dress up your face. I mean, makeup is an accessory. I like to do lipstick. Lipstick is so easy. Again, it makes it look like you put a ton of effort into your look, and it takes 2 seconds to put on lipstick. One of my favorites is Velvet Beauty from Eldridge. It's a bright blue-based pink color. I can wear that again with my Metallica t-shirt. I can wear it with a white t-shirt. It really just goes with anything. It brightens my face, it brightens my mood, and I just really feel put together when I put on some lipstick in a color that you can see. You can do a red lipstick with a white t-shirt. That's really chic, actually. I feel like that's a very chic look, you know, just kind of like, oh, well, I'm here and I got my red lipstick on and a t-shirt and jeans and what? You know what I mean? Like, I love that look of, I put effort into my outfit and I'm not afraid to show it too. So it doesn't always have to be like this effortless thing. You can wear the colorful shoes and jewelry and a blazer and a red lipstick. You can put it all together and make that into your uniquely own thing. So those are my tips for making a t-shirt and jeans more interesting. I hope that you liked it and that you take it all with a grain of salt and just do what feels good to you. If you made it this far into the video, I would really appreciate if you would subscribe. I know it can be annoying to have YouTubers always asking for the same things, but I really want to turn this into a side gig and I want to make more content for you. And the only way I can do that is if I hit 1,000 subscribers. So just being transparent, if you could help me with that, I would really appreciate it. But in any case, just thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video with more fashion content. Okay, bye.